Hi everyone, Phil from 3DP UK here, and I'm a YouTube reviewer. So if you haven't seen my channel, go check me out. Today's I've been asked by Iwecolor to carry out the giveaway live draw. So the opportunity for first prize to win 5 spools of 250 grams of the luminous orange PLA, and then there'll be 10 opportunities to win 250 grams of the luminous orange PLA. So I'm going to share a screen now with you with all the different entries that we've had. Some really amazing entries, and I'm going to show you those now. As you can see, let's zoom in. So we've got some beautiful prints all the way down. Lots of different entries and multiple entries by people. There's no issues with multiple entries. All these prints are Ruby Chloe's dual filament phase there, some Minnie Mouse, some Vecna bus, and some dragons, and some more bus, which are great. Some wonderful colors and prints here. And then we've got some other things, and then an Ayrton Senna model, which is absolutely beautiful. Some Christmas trees, and some dual color filaments as well. So let's go to the live draw. So what I'm going to do now is copy and paste all the entry names all the way up to the top, and then we're going to copy it, and then what I'm going to do is enter that into a live spin the wheel. Okay, so let's go over to that now and share the screen. So we have the Wheel of Names by Iwecolor today, and you should all be able to see now. So what I'm going to do is delete these and re-put the names in, and these are all the names. As you can see, there's some grouped up ones. Let's give them a shuffle, and a shuffle again just for good measure. So the first draw will be for the first prize of 5 spools of 250 grams of filament. Let's do that now. And the first prize of 5 rolls of 250 grams of filament of the Iwecolor. Congratulations, Bright Box, and they will be in contact with you through the group. And then for the second part of the draw will be for 10 spools of filament of 250 grams. So there's 10 opportunities to win now. And I'm going for the first click for the first roll of 250 grams of filament. And congratulations, Julia Mary, you have won 250. Okay, so we're going to do the second one. And the second win for second prize for 250 grams filament is Dan's Impression. You have won 250 grams of filament. And the third spin. And it's Anthony LaRue. Congratulations, you've won 250 grams of filament. And the fourth spin. And it is Eric Galley. Congratulations, you've won 250 grams of Iwecolor filament. Okay, so the fifth spin. And the winner is Fitzgerald to Chemin. Okay, so the sixth spin. And congratulations, Benoit Bourdet. You have won 250 grams of filament. Congratulations. 7th spin. And it's Leante Steph. Congratulations. You have won 250 grams of filament. Congratulations. And the 8th spin. Teddy GRD Senior. Congratulations. And the 9th spin. Okay, so it looks like you've won again, Teddy GRD Senior. You've had multiple entries in there. Congratulations. You've won another 250 grams of filament. Congratulations. And for the final spin of the second prize of 250 grams of filament will be Blanco Noir. Congratulations. You've won 250 grams of filament. So that concludes the live draw. So I'm going to stop sharing now. So yeah, all of you guys will be contacted that have won. So first prizes and the second prizes will all be contacted through the Iwecolor Facebook group. Thank you for the entries that you've all put in. And if you haven't checked out Iwecolor's filaments, I've used them myself and I've had some amazing results and some amazing prints. So I'm Phil from 3DP UK. If you haven't already checked me out, check out my YouTube channel and have a great day, everyone. And congratulations to all you winners. Take care.